More than 80% of men and half of all women experience significant hair loss during their lifetime. That's 4 billion people globally. And despite that hair loss is socially accepted, it greatly affects self-esteem and self-confidence, resulting in anxiety and even depression. But what if your body could solve hair loss and regenerate your hair? Introducing Niostem, the world's first smart device to stop hair loss and regrow hair in 6 months. Niostem stops hair loss completely in 6 months. That's 6 times more effective in hair regrowth than leading products, and no nasty side effects.
Hi, my name is Frank and I'm 38 years old.
I'm Sebastian, I'm 22 years old.
Hair is a symbol for power and sexiness. The moment when you start losing hair, it's like you lose the control of your life. I was looking in the mirror and I thought that my hairline went back.
My hair is very important to me. I bleached and I dyed it several times already.
Many people believe that hair loss is fate. There is nothing you can do about it. And this is probably well founded. What if I told you that we found a way that we can reactivate your hair growth by combining regenerative technology, software, and hardware in one wearable device? Hi, I'm Carlos, founder of Niostem. I'm a biologist and I have a PhD in regenerative medicine.
After using the prototype, I can feel my hair stronger.
The results of the pilot study were that all participants stopped their hair loss after 6 months of using the device for 30 minutes a day. On average, they increased their hair density by 19.3% and their hair thickness by 9.1%. That's 6 times more hair than leading products in half the time.
It's not destiny. I can control my hair loss.
I was super happy with the results, which feels great.
I can really say that the prototype made a difference, absolutely.
You can integrate Niostem easily into your daily routine. It lets you move freely, so you can do whatever you like while wearing it. Niostem is a smart wearable that's connected to your phone via Bluetooth. The mobile app helps you position the device on your head and allows you to track your progress by using sensor technology that's been developed in-house.
While I was doing research in skin cancer at one of the top institutions in Germany, the Max Planck, I invented new technology to understand better hair stem cells. These cells are the ones in your body that are responsible for hair growth and regeneration.
When you wear Niostem on your head, it generates bioelectrical stimulation that activates the hair stem cells present in your scalp. What happens next is that these hair stem cells produce new daughter cells that grow the hair follicle, and ultimately you start growing healthy hair again. Niostem was developed by a team of leading engineers, doctors, and scientists in 4 different countries after more than 5 years of research and 4 years of engineering. The team has already developed several generations of Niostem wearables, not only constantly improving its ergonomic fit and usability, but also increasing its effectiveness to guarantee best results.
We have already helped dozens of people. And our mission is simple. We want to enable the future of self-healing through smart regenerative technologies.
We can change the lives of millions of people with Niostem. So help us to bring this technology together to the masses. Join us right here on Indiegogo.